Watch this video and learn how to draw Peppa Pig.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artists.
Hello, little artists. Are you okay, Artie?
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, good. I'm pleased.
Yeah,
What should we do?
Artie want to drawing.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all.
Well, greetings to you too, Betty and Mikey. Okay, Artie, are you ready? Should we draw
Yeah.
Peppa Pig?
Okay.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities.
All right, Artie, let's start with Peppa Pig's nose, also known as a snout. Draw a nice oval at the top of the page on the left. Now draw a little line down from the left side of the oval. One of Artie's favourite cartoons is Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the other side of the snout, a big line coming down from the right side of the oval. Continue down a little bit more, Artie, with a curve at the end. Very good.
Hey, B-Brush, is my cap on straight?
No, it never is.
Oh, good, that's what I was going for.
Now let's carry that curve down even more. Yes, that looks about right. Now from the left side, let's draw another curve all the way down and around and connect it to the right side curve. That's it, Artie, all the way across so they both connect. There you go.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw Peppa's mouth. Do a nice big smiley curve shape at the top, and then another one just below. Now let's connect those two lines with two little curves, one on the left and then one on the right. Now we have a complete mouth.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Now we're going to draw Peppa's rosy left cheek. This is a big oval shape on the left side of her face. Very good. Now let's draw Peppa's ears. We'll start with the left one, right in the middle of the head. Now let's draw the other ear on the right side. Perfect, Artie. Now it's time to draw Peppa's eyes. Let's draw two little circles at the top of the head. That's the left eye. Very good. Now let's draw the right eye right next to the left. Another circle shape. Very good, Artie. She's coming together.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Well, we're pleased you're enjoying yourselves, guys. Now, Artie, let's draw some pupils inside the eyes. These are just little black circles. One on the left, and then another one in the right eye, Artie.
My pen.
You dropped your pen? Well, pick it up. There you go. Now Peppa Pig can actually see us. Hello, Peppa. Cartoon break? Okay, let's have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured pink.
Artie loves pink.
Look,
pink flowers. Pink candy. Yum. It's a little pink piggy. Yay, pink doors.
Artie, you found lots of pink things.
Artie loves pink.
That was a good cartoon break, Artie, and I'm pleased we learnt all about the colour pink. You know why? Because Peppa Pig is pink. We'll be using our pink marker pen later to colour her in.
Okay.
All right, let's draw Peppa's body. A curved line on the left, stop at the head, and then a curved line on the right, coming down from the head. Let's connect the bottom of those two lines with a slightly curved line going across. That's it. Let's give Peppa a left arm. 2 straight lines coming out from the left side of the body. 1, 2. Let's give her a very simple hand, just 3 fingers. I don't think pigs really have fingers, but this is a cartoon, it's okay. Now time for the right arm. You're singing while you draw today, Artie. Okay, Peppa has 2 arms now.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
Let's draw Peppa's legs. They're very easy to do. Just 2 little straight lines coming down. First on the left, and then on the right. And then let's draw her shoes. They're very simple little oval shapes at the bottom of the lines. Are you going to draw a shoe on the right leg, Artie? That's right. Let's draw a second shoe on her right leg. You know what? I think they would look good shaded in black. So let's fill them all in. Nice and solid black. Try not to shade in outside of the lines. Left shoe is done. Now let's do the right shoe. Try to stay inside the lines. It doesn't really matter if you do accidentally draw outside the lines. Everything's up for grabs because this is art. There are no rules in art. Anything goes. You're finished. She came out very nicely. Now I think you're going to need your pink marker pen to colour her in.
What this drawing needs is
Some color.
Finished? Wow, Artie, she looks so good.
Yeah.
I love how you coloured her head in light pink and her shirt a darker pink. I especially like the dark purple outline all the way around the drawing.
Man, it sure is colorful.
I love color. Don't you, little artists?
We do love colour, Betty. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have an arty day. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.